Are you tired of healthy snacks for seniors that are bland, boring, or just plain hard to eat? What if you could have delicious, satisfying snacks that are also packed with nutrients and simple to make? It's a frustrating cycle, isn't it? You know, snacking is important, especially as we get older. Our appetites can change, making it tough to get all the nutrition we need from just 3 main meals. Smart snacking can bridge that gap, help keep blood sugar stable, and fight off those afternoon energy slumps. But often, when you reach for a healthy snack, the reality is disappointing. It might be a dry cracker that tastes like cardboard, or a handful of nuts that are too hard to chew comfortably. There's this myth that eating healthy, particularly as a senior, means giving up on flavour and enjoyment. That food has to be bland and uninteresting. Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not true. You deserve to love what you eat and feel great afterward. Feeling weak or tired in the afternoon is common, but it doesn't have to be your normal. The right snack can be a powerful tool to change how you feel, giving you sustained energy to power through your day. This isn't about complicated rules. It's about making smart, delicious choices that work for you. It's about finding those perfect little bites that not only taste fantastic, but also support your health. Whether that's keeping your muscles strong, supporting bone health, or simply having the energy to do the things you love. That's what we're going to explore today. We're putting the pleasure back into snacking with recipes and ideas designed with your needs in mind. We're talking snacks that are full of flavour, loaded with protein and fibre, and include wonderfully soft options that are easy to enjoy. To make it simple, I've broken this down into 3 parts. First, we'll jump into instant no-cook snacks. Next, we'll look at easy assembly snacks, which take just a little more prep for a snack that feels a bit more special. And finally, we'll cover prep ahead and caregiver-friendly recipes, perfect for planning your week. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to boring snacks and hello to a world of flavour and energy, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Welcome to our first stop, instant no-cook snacks. I call these the 5-minute heroes because they require 0 cooking and barely any prep. They're the perfect way to stay independent in the kitchen and satisfy hunger almost instantly. When your energy is low or you just don't feel like making a fuss, these snacks are your best friend. They prove you can have something delicious and nutritious without even touching the stove. Our first instant snack is a powerhouse, and it's a classic for a reason. A simple bowl of Greek yogurt with berries. I know what you might be thinking. Yogurt? How exciting can that be? But stick with me because the magic is in the details. We're not talking about those sugary, fruit on the bottom cups. We're talking about creating a snack that's a treat for your taste buds and a gift to your body. So why is this combo so great for seniors? First off, protein. Plain Greek yogurt is a protein superstar, often packing double the amount of regular yogurt, sometimes 15 to 20 grams in a single cup. As we age, getting enough protein is critical for keeping our muscles strong, which helps with everything from walking steadily to getting up from a chair. Greek yogurt is also loaded with probiotics for gut health and calcium for strong bones. Alright, so you've got your super quick snacks down. What if you have just a few more minutes to spare and want something that feels a little more special? Welcome to easy assembly snacks. These still don't require any cooking, but they involve a little simple mixing, layering, or blending. Our first easy assembly recipe is one of the most versatile and nourishing snacks you can make, the ultimate senior-friendly smoothie. Smoothies are fantastic, especially for seniors who might have a smaller appetite or difficulty chewing. The trick to a great smoothie is making sure it's balanced, not just a sugary fruit bomb. It should have protein, healthy fats, and fibre. Let's build one. Start with a liquid base, about a cup of milk, dairy for calcium and protein, or a plant-based milk like almond or soy. Next, protein. This gives your smoothie staying power. The easiest way is to add about half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, which also adds creaminess. Now for the fruit. This is where you get natural sweetness, fibre, and vitamins. A small banana is a perfect base for creaminess. And here's a pro tip. Add a handful of fresh spinach. I promise, you won't taste it. The fruit completely hides the flavour, but you'll get all the iron and vitamins. Finally, add a healthy fat. This helps you absorb nutrients and feel full. A spoonful of peanut or almond butter adds delicious flavour. Finally, let's talk about the secret weapon for healthy eating, planning ahead. This section is for recipes you can make in a batch. Having delicious snacks ready and waiting in the fridge makes the healthy choice the easy choice. Our first prep ahead recipe is a classic comfort food that's wonderfully soft and packed with protein. Simple egg salad. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse with about 6 grams of high-quality protein each, plus vitamin D and B12. Hard-boiled eggs are a great snack on their own, but turning them into a soft, creamy egg salad makes them even easier to eat. Now, most egg salad uses mayonnaise, but here's a healthier trick. Swap some or all of it for plain Greek yogurt. This boosts the protein and cuts down on fat. Next up is a perfect make-ahead breakfast or snack, overnight oats. These turn into a creamy, pudding-like treat. Instead of cooking oats, you soak them in liquid overnight in the fridge. This softens them, making them incredibly easy to digest. Once everything is mixed together, roll the sticky mixture into small 1-inch balls. Place them on a baking sheet and let them firm up in the fridge. These little bites are the perfect solution for a sweet craving. They're packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, satisfying fats. And there you have it. From our instant no-cook heroes like avocado toast to our creative, easy assembly snacks like the ultimate smoothie, and our prep ahead champions like overnight oats and egg salad. I hope these ideas leave you feeling inspired. I really hope you know that you never have to settle for boring snacks. Food should be a source of joy and energy, not a chore. The right snack can truly make a world of difference in your day. This is about adding more goodness into your life. Whether you're looking for quick solutions for yourself or you're a caregiver, these recipes are designed to be flexible and satisfying. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to join our community. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to healthy snack? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I love reading every single one, and your ideas might just inspire someone else. Your community is here for you. Thanks so much for spending this time with me today. Here's to happy, healthy, and delicious snacking. Take care.